The DJI Mini series has transformed the world of compact drones, offering professional-grade features in a lightweight, travel-friendly package. Weighing under 250 grams, these drones bypass FAA registration requirements while delivering exceptional performance. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and intelligent flight modes, the Mini series has become a top choice for creators and hobbyists alike. Despite its popularity among drone enthusiasts, rumors suggest the Mini series could be replaced. But is that really the case? New leaks point to the arrival of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, featuring notable upgrades typically reserved for high-end drones. In today's video, we'll cover all the leaks and expected features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Industry insider Jasper Ellens recently tweeted about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, confirming that DJI might be preparing the next iteration of its Mini series. According to his statement, the 5th generation is likely to debut next summer. He also hinted at advanced features, such as a LiDAR sensor inspired by DJI's high-end Air 3 series. This would significantly improve the drone's object tracking precision. In addition, the Mini 5 Pro is rumoured to feature stronger, redesigned vented motors for enhanced stability and better wind resistance. These motors are expected to improve cooling, boost performance, and extend the drone's lifespan. Even more impressively, DJI has reportedly included all these upgrades while keeping the drone's weight under the 250-gram limit. Enhanced AI capabilities are also expected, making the Mini 5 Pro a reliable tool for action filmmakers by improving its ability to track fast-moving subjects seamlessly. Rumoured 5G connectivity could further enhance the experience by providing smoother, more responsive live feeds, perfect for professional creators requiring real-time reliability. Consistent with DJI's focus on improving flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver up to 40 minutes of airtime, surpassing the Mini 4 Pro. This extended duration ensures users can capture more moments without frequent battery changes, a critical feature for creators on the go. While the DJI Mini 5 Pro's release is anticipated in mid-2025, this timeline gives DJI ample time to refine its features or surprise us with innovations. Incremental upgrades may not seem groundbreaking, but they're exactly what users appreciate about the Mini series: familiar designs with meaningful improvements. Balancing lightweight builds with cutting-edge technology is a challenge DJI continues to master, ensuring the Mini series remains an excellent choice for beginner and advanced drone enthusiasts alike. What features are you hoping to see in the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest in tech.